4 children. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 7 and this is part 6 of the video. So let's begin. Question number 2. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 milliliter of milk. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? Question number 3 is Radha's grandma is ill. Okay, Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 milliliter of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. How many milliliters of medicine that she has to take every morning? So now we have to tell that how much milliliter of medicine does she have to take every morning. We have to tell the quantity. So let's see these two questions. Let's do them. So the question is, Yusuf runs a tea shop. There is a boy named Yusuf who is running a tea shop. Okay, for making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. And for making one glass of tea, okay, a glass of tea means one glass of tea, he used 20 ml of milk. Okay, so for making one glass of tea, he needs 20 ml of milk. So yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. Yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. How much milk did he use? So now we have to tell that how much milk did he use. See, for making one glass of tea, he needs 20 ml of milk. So we have to tell that for making 100 glasses of tea, how much milk did he need? So let's find out. Milk used in making one glass tea. Let's see. This is already given to us. First we will write things that are already given to us. Okay. Milk used in making one glass of tea. How much milk is used by him? See, for making a glass of tea, a glass means one glass. Okay. So one glass of tea he is using 20 ml of milk. So he is using 20 ml of milk in making one glass of tea. 20 ml. So we have to find out how much milk will he use for making 100 glasses of tea. Now we have to tell for making 100 glasses of tea. We have been given for the small amount, we have to find for the big amount. Okay, we have been given for 1 and we have to find for 100. So let's see. Milk used in making 100 glasses of tea. So how much will it be? Let's do it here. See, we have been given for the small amount, that is for 1 glass, and we have to find out for the big amount, that is for 100 glass. Okay, again we have to go from 1 to many. We have been given for the small amount, we have to find for the big amount. So what we will do? We will multiply. Okay, whenever we have to go from 1 to many, we do multiplication. So here also we will do multiplication. And what we will multiply? See, the milk used in making one glass of tea is 20 ml. Okay, 20 ml of milk is used in making one glass of tea. So we will multiply 20 by, we have to find for 100. We have to find for 100 glasses of tea. So we will multiply 20 by 100. Okay, 20 by 100. So this will be 2000. 20 multiplied by 100 is 2000 milliliter. Okay, this is given in milliliter, so it will be milliliter. See, milk used in making 100 glasses of tea. We have multiplied 20, that is the milk that is used in making one glass of tea. 20. We have multiplied it by 100 because we have to find out for 100. So 20 multiplied by 100 is 2000 milliliter. Okay, and as we know, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. We know this. Okay, so 2 liter is equals to 2000 milliliter. So that means, see, 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. So it means 2000 milliliter will be 2 liter. So we can write it as 2 liter also. Because 1000 milliliter, this is the formula that 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. So it means 2000 milliliter is equals to 2 liters. Okay, so we can write it as 2 liter also. 2000 ml, that is 2 liters. So therefore, we will write here, therefore, Yusuf will use 2 liter, that is, this is that is, okay, not IE, this is that is 2000 milliliter. glasses of tea. So Yusuf will use 2 liters, that is 2000 milliliter milk in making 100 glasses of tea. So the next question is, Radha's grandmother was ill. So Radha is a girl whose grandmother is ill. So the doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine. So doctor gave Radha a 200 ml of medicine. Okay, he gave Radha a bottle with medicine that contains 200 ml of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. So her grandmother has to take the medicine every morning. Okay, she has to take medicine every morning for 10 days. She has to take it for 10 days. How many milliliters of medicine does she have to take every morning? Now we have to tell that how many milliliters of medicine does she have to take every morning. We have been given for 10 days. Okay, that in 10 days she has to take 200 ml of medicine. But we have to find out for one day that how much quantity of medicine does she have to take in one day. See, we have been given for the larger amount, that is for the big amount, 10 days. And we have to find for every morning, means for one day. Okay, we have to find for one day. We have been given for the big amount, we have to find for the small amount. So whenever we have to go from many to one, okay, from many to one we do division. So here also we will do division. Let's see, quantity of medicine in 10 days. Quantity of medicine in 10 days that she has to take. Okay, quantity of medicine in 10 days that her grandmother has to take is 200 ml. 200 ml. Okay, she has to take 200 ml of medicine in 10 days, for 10 days. So we have to find for the one day. We have to tell that each morning, every morning, how much medicine will she take. Okay, we have to tell the quantity every morning for one day. So let's find the quantity for one day. Quantity of medicine. Quantity of medicine in one day. That how much will she take in one day? How much medicine will she take in one day? So to find out for one day, what we will do? See, we have been given for the big amount. We have been given for 10 days this time. And we have to find for the small amount this time. So whenever we have to go from 1 to many, we do multiplication. And but here we have to go from many to 1. ठीक है, जब हमें 1 to many जाना होता है, we do multiplication. But यहाँ पे हमें many to 1 जाना है. That is opposite of multiplication. That will be division. So here we will do divide. Okay, हमें big amount के लिए given है, हमें small amount के लिए निकालना है. So जब हमें bigger के लिए given होता है, smaller के लिए find out करना होता है, then we do division. So here also we will do division. So let's divide it. What we will divide? We will divide the quantity of medicine, that is 200 ml, by 10. Okay, we will divide it by 10. Why we have done this? Because for 10 days, the quantity of medicine that she is taking for 10 days is 200 ml. Okay, 200 ml. And we have to find for one day. We have to find for one day. So we have to divide it by 10. Because we have been given for 10, so we will divide it by 10. Okay, quantity of medicine. Total quantity of medicine divided by total number of days. So we will find out the quantity of medicine that she will take in one day. Okay, so let's divide it. Let's divide it here. 200 divided by 10. 10 into 2 is your 20. 10 is your 20. If you will subtract, this will be 0 and this 0 is left over here. So 0 cannot be divided by 10. So we will put 0 also here. Okay, we will put 0 here. So this will be 20. It means 20 ml of medicine she is taking in one day. Okay, she is taking 20 ml of medicine in one day. So we will write here, therefore, Radha's grandmother will take 20 ml medicine 20 ml medicine every morning. She will take 20 ml of medicine every morning. So, therefore, Akash grandmother will take 20 ml of medicine every morning.
Water. The table shows the water used in one day by a family of 5 people. They live in Gudalur village. Activities are given here and water in liters that are that are used by them are given here. Okay, so cooking and drinking 30 liters, washing clothes 40 liters, cleaning pots and pans 20 liter, bathing 75 liter. So total water used by them. So you will do this yourself, total water used by them. So you will add all these water. Okay, you will add all this quantity of water and then you will write here in this blank. Okay, you will add 30 liter plus 40 liter plus 20 liter plus 75 liter, and then you will write answer here in this blank. Okay, in liters you will write. Next is, how many liter of water does your family use in a day? Now you have to tell that how many liter of water does your family use in a day. Guess and fill in this table. Now you have to guess and you have to fill in this table. Is there any tap in your school or your home which is leaking? How much water do you think we waste through a leaking tap? Place your liter jar below the leaking tap so as to catch all the drops in the bottle. Note the time. After 1 hour, check how much water is in the bottle. So let's take that in 1 hour, 1 liter of water is wasted. Okay, so if you will place a jar below a leaking tap, and after 1 hour you will see that 1 liter of water is wasted. Okay, so let's take it down 1 liter in 1 hour. And the above question given to you, you will do it yourself. Okay, so this is how you have to do this table. Okay, activity, cooking and drinking, water used in bucket 3 buckets, and water used in liters 25 liters. Next is washing clothes, the water used in buckets 6 buckets, and water used in liters 60 liters. Then cleaning pots and pans, 2 buckets of water used and 15 liters. Next is bathing. For bathing, 5 buckets of water is used, that is 50 liters. Next is cleaning utensils. 4 buckets of water is used in cleaning utensils and it means 35 liters. Next is cleaning house. So 9 buckets are used in cleaning house, that is 90 liters. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. You can pause the video and you can do this in your book. Okay, you have to do this question in your book only. Next is, find out how much water is wasted in a day. Okay, as we have seen that from the leaking tap, 1 liter of water is wasting in 1 hour. Okay, we know that 1 liter of water is wasting in 1 hour from that leaking tap. We have taken this. Okay, we have seen this. So the question is, now we have to do questions based on that. Okay, find out how much water is wasted in a day. Next is, find out how much water is wasted in a week, then in a month, then in a year. So we have to find out for all of these. So let's find out. Let's do this question. So the question is, find out how much water is wasted in a day. We have to tell that how much water is wasted in a day, in 1 day. Okay, we have to tell that how much water is wasted in a day. So see, we know that water wasted in 1 hour, water wasted in 1 hour is 1 liter. Okay, in 1 hour, 1 liter water is wasted. We are wasting 1 liter of water in 1 hour. So as we know that in 1 day there are 24 hours. Okay, in 1 day there are 24 hours. So what we will do? We will now find out for 24 hours. Okay, because 1 day means 24 hours. So we will find out for 24 hours because an hour is given over here. Okay, we have been given in an hour, so we will find out in an hour. Okay, so let's find out for 24 hours. So water wasted in 24 hours, that is 1 day. Okay, 24 hours means the 1 day, same thing. So how much water is wasted in 24 hours? See, in 1 hour, 1 liter of water is wasted. We have been told for the smaller amount, we have to find for the bigger amount. Again, we have to go from 1 to many, so we will do multiplication. What we will multiply? See, water wasted in 1 hour, that is 1 liter. We will multiply it by 24 because we have to find out for 24 hours. Okay, water wasted in 1 hour is 1 liter. So we will multiply it by 24 because we have to find out for 24 hours. Okay, so this will be 24 liters. So which means 24 liter of water is wasted in 24 hours. That is 1 day. So 24. Therefore,
water wasted in a day, therefore water wasted in a day is 24 liters. 24 liters. So water wasted in one day, that is in 24 hours, is 24 liters. Next is find out how much water is wasted in a week. Okay, before this we have found out water wasted in a day. Now we have to find out that water wasted in a week. Okay, in a week. So we know that in one day, as we have found it out in the previous question, that in one day 24 liters of water is wasted. Okay, let's write it here. We know this. Water wasted in a day. Water wasted in a day. It means in one day. Okay, in one day. A day means 1 day. So in a day, 24 liters of water is wasting. They are wasting 24 liters of water in 1 day, in a day. And as we know that 1 week has 7 days. Okay, 1 week has 7 days. 1 week has 7 days. We have been given in days. We have been given days in days. So we will find it out in days. Okay, so in place of 1 week I can write 7 days. Okay, so we know that water wasted in 1 day is 24 liters and 1 week has 7 days. So it means we will find out for now 7 days. So water wasted in 7 days will be water wasted in 7 days. How much will it be? See, we have been given for the smaller amount again. 1 day and we have to find for the bigger amount, that is 7 days. So we will do multiplication. Okay, what we will multiply? We will multiply 24, that is the water wasted in 1 day. Okay, 24 is the water wasted in 1 day, 24 liters. 24 liters is the water wasted in 1 day. We will multiply it by 7 because we have to find it for these 7 days. We have to find for the 7 days, so we will multiply it by 7. So let's multiply it here. 24 multiplied by 7. 7 into 4 is 28. 2 will be in carry. 7 into 2 is 14. We have to add 2. So 15, 16. Okay, 16. It means 168. 168 liters. 168 liters is wasting. But 168 liters of water is wasting in 7 days. Okay, they are wasting 168 liters of water in 7 days. So therefore 168 liters of water is wasted in a week. Okay, in a week. 168 liters of water is wasted in a week. Next question is, find out how much water is wasted in a month. Now we have to find out for month. That in 1 month how much water is wasted. Okay, now we have to find out for 1 month. See, we know that water wasted in 1 day. In a day, how much water is wasting? 24 liters of water they are wasting in 1 day. Okay, they are wasting 24 liters of water in a day, so we know this. So now we have to find for a month. So we know that 1 month has 30 days. 1 month has 30 days. So in place of month we can write 30 days also, because we have been given in a day. We have been given this in days, so we will find it out in days. Okay. So water wasted in 1 day is 24 liters. 1 month has 30 days. So we will find out for 30 days, that will be 1 month. Okay. So water waste in 30 days. How much water they are wasting in 30 days? See, again we have been given for the small amount, we have to find for the bigger amount. So there also we will do multiplication. Okay, but we will multiply 24, that is water wasted. They are wasting in 1 day. Okay, 24 liters multiplied by 30, because we have to find for 30 days. Okay, 24 liters because they are wasting 24 liters of water in 1 day. Okay, and we have to find for 30 days, so we will multiply it by 30. So let's multiply it here. 24 multiplied by 30. 0 into 4 is 0. 0 into 2 is also 0. Then 4 into 3 is 12. 1 will be in carry, and 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. So it means 700 720 liters of water they are wasting in one day. Okay, 720 liters of water they are wasting in a month. Sorry, in month. Okay, they are wasting in 30 days. That is 1 month. You can write 1 month in place of 30. So 720 liters of water they are wasting in a month. Now the next question is find out how much water is wasted in a year. Now we have to find out for a year. Before this we have find out water wasted in days, in week, in month, and now we have to find it in year. So how will we find out? See, before this we have find out that in a month they are wasting 720 liters of water. Okay, they are wasting 720 liters of water in 1 month. So let's write it here. Water wasted in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month, that is 720 liters. They were wasting 720 liters of water in 1 month. Okay, and we have to now find out for a year. A year means 1 year. So we know that 1 year has 12 months. Okay, we know that 1 year has 12 months. Why we have converted it in months? Because this detail is given in month. So we will find it out in month. Okay, so we can write 12 months in place of 1 year. So water wasted in 1 month is 720 liters. So now we will find out water wasted in 12 months. That is 1 year. Okay, so water wasted in 12 months. That is 1 year. How much will it be? Okay, let's do it here. 720 liters water they are wasting in 1 month. So we will multiply 720 liters by 12. Because we have been given for the small amount, we have to find for the bigger amount. Whenever we have to go from 1 to many, we do multiplication. So here we have done multiplication. Okay. Why we have multiplied 720 by 12? Because 720 liter is the water that they are wasting in 1 month. Okay. In 1 month they are wasting 720 liters of water. We have to find for 12 months. So we have multiplied it by 12. Okay. So let's multiply it here. 720 multiplied by 12. 12 into 0 is 0. 12 to 24. 4 here. 2 will be in carry. 12 sevens are 84. We have to add 2 in it. So 85, 86. Okay. So this will be 86. It means 8,640 liters. 8,640 liters of water they are wasting in a year. Means in 1 year they are wasting 8,640 liters of water.
Moving on to the next now. At the milk society. Chelanur village has a milk society. Geeta and Amini went there to buy 4 liters of milk, but the man could not find the 1 liter measure. He had only a 3 liter and a 5 liter bottle with him, but he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. Explain how he did this. So let's see how he did this. So now let's see how he did this. At first the milkman will fill 5 liter bottle. Now he pour its content in 3 liter bottle. Then the milk left in the 5 liter bottle will be 2 liter, because 5 liter minus 3 liter is 2 liter. Okay. So he poured this 2 liter of milk into the bottle of Geeta. Again he repeats the same process and again pours 2 liter of milk left in the 5 liter bottle into the bottle of Geeta. So hence Geeta has 4 liters of milk in her bottle now. In this way he gave them exactly 4 liters of milk. So milkman ne kya kiya? 5 liter of bottle he filled, okay, with milk. Then he transferred the milk into the 3 liter bottle. 5 liter bottle से उसने 3 liter bottle में milk transfer किया. So 5 minus 3, because 3 liter bottle fill हो गई. 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2 liter of bottle is left. So he poured 2 liter milk in Geeta's bottle. Okay. Then again he did this. Again he filled 5 liter bottle and with the 5 liter bottle he transferred the milk in 3 liter bottle. फिर जब उसने transfer किया, again 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 liter is left now in 5 liter bottle. Okay, 2 liter milk is now left in 5 liter bottle. So again he poured that 2 liter milk in Geeta's bottle. So now it is 4 liters. So Geeta has got 4 liters milk. Okay, this is how he did it.
So that's all for today. Keep practicing these questions at your home. We will soon meet with the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.